welcome back to the channel. So here's my car camping SUV, no build car camper setup, I guess version 1. I've set this up. This is from at home. This is one of those patio cushions. I got 2 of them. I think they're enough for me. I mean, I can sleep in like a tiny space, and I'm a tiny person, so that shouldn't be an issue. And the reason why I opted for this is because, you know, you can just fold them at will, right? If I want to convert the car back to a car mode from a sleeping mode. These are from IKEA. I got the covers, the wooden covers, and then the other one is just the normal plastic cover. What I like about this is the fact that you can just lift this, easy access, and you have another access below. I got this, I think, from Walmart. It's a 3-tier Sterlite drawer for more storage. And inside I have an Ottoman that I got from Five Below. So far I'm liking it. Again, this is version 1, so it might change at some point, but so far this should work. Now if we look inside, I have, like I said, this Ottoman that I got from Five Below for $5. And it fits perfectly to that side. And this is gonna give me more storage inside. I'm thinking that I'm going to use this Ottoman for my clothes and maybe some gear. I don't know what I'm gonna do in the front passenger side yet, but I'm thinking that is where all my tech is gonna go, and the cooler is probably gonna stay there. So yeah, this is the version 1 of my no build SUV camper setup for Gamora. And again, this is probably gonna change at some point. You know, my brain is just, I mean, I've been watching a lot of YouTube channels of how people do this. It's actually pretty exciting, and so far it's been really exciting for me. And what I'm gonna plan is for this rear passenger side to easily be converted into sleeping mode if I need to sleep and hunker down for the night. And in the morning when I'm driving, I want this to always be propped up, so I can have some space if I want to, let's say, eat in the car after cooking, so I can still have my cup holders here, and then just, we don't need that garbage, and prop it up if I need more space. And if I need a little bit, like let's say I gotta change my clothes in the morning, then I want this to, you know, to be easily accessible. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go and get in the car and close the door, and I would have like a little privacy, whatever I want to do here, right? Yeah, so far this setup looks like it is going to work for me. And of course, you know, for this Ottoman, I can have more stuff above here, and if I'm inside the car like this, then I have like a little shelf going on there. And so that's what it looks like from here to convert this into sleeping mode. All I have to do is fold the passengers and quickly roll my I'm gonna have like a sleeping bag on top of this, so it shouldn't be just like kind of janky looking like this. But hey, I don't care. I'm in the wilderness. I'm not really there to you know, worry about my bed. That's how it's gonna look. Imagine it with a sleeping bag on top. And I have a I think like an inflatable pillow, and look at this. It's an extra pillow right there that I can just fold like that. So far, this is how it looks in the back. I really love those IKEA storage, and this is gonna act like a little bit of table, right? When I'm here at the back of the car, and when I'm inside, then I can still access it, right? So again, version 1 design of my SUV no build camper. I'm currently happy with how it looks right now. It actually, the color palette that I've chosen is actually me. I think I got enough storage, but I'm gonna have some more other maybe little storage coming up. But so far, again, this is Gamora no build camper version 1. So far, I'm very happy about it. All right, so there's gonna be more videos coming up, because I'm also gonna try and build my own SUV, my awning. I'm looking at videos on YouTube on how to build my own awning, because I am not gonna spend like $300-400 on an SUV awning. That's just too much. Plus, building it, is more fun than just buying stuff. Yeah, there we go. And as always, just go ahead and do what will make you happy, and I will see you later.